challenges faced by our country right now, increased number of people in need, increased disasters, and we're going to have to do more. Anytime that you've got an increase in demand, you've got an opportunity to do better. And we really need to do better because the status quo just doesn't cut it. We're not helping Canadians as well as we can, and we have to rally all levels, from government to charities like ours and agencies like ours, to first responders, to the private sector, to corporations, to all the innovators, to our higher education institutions. We've all got to rally together to do more to help people in their time of need.
Really astounding and great advancement in the market throughout accountability tools such as TCFD. That's a task force on climate-related financial disclosures that helps private sector assure its resilience. A Rise Canada member, Manifest Climate, is doing really great work in that arena. But this private sector resilience, to what end is it if the public to which it provides service isn't also resilient? So we need our governments to create strong, robust programs that incentivize capitalization towards infrastructure renewal and seriously, on the other side, disincentivize tired approaches that are based on yesterday's climate and last year's economy. So we need to leverage that full suite of policy instruments, from laws and regulations to policy and state funding. And there shouldn't be a single public-private partnership in this country that hasn't passed a rigorous test for resilient design in alignment with the climate we know we will face over the next 20, 30, even 50 years. I think the Canada Infrastructure Bank and similar institutions have an important untapped role in that space.
I think the challenges that we face in the emergency management industry are a lack of data and technology informing what we do, how we assess risk, how we prepare for emergencies, and then how we respond to them, and a lack of discussion and discourse between disaster risk reduction and climate adaptation and energy professionals with emergency managers. I think the future is interdisciplinary, and the more that we work together across sectors and domains and disciplines, the more we can do to tackle wicked problems like climate disaster, disaster risk for all hazards, and localized emergencies and lack of capacity for emergency preparedness and response in Canada.